So over here in this lesson, let's just go ahead and start Affinity app. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here on my taskbar. I have my Affinity installed, and as I click on it, you can see that Affinity loads up just like this. So Affinity is by Canva, and then if you have a Canva account, then you can use Affinity as well. And it's actually free of cost to download and use if you don't want to use the AI feature. So once you go ahead and open up the app, you can see the welcome screen right here. So you can go ahead and, let's say for example, click on any preset right here, then you got the workspace ready. So here in the workspace, you can see that you got vector, you got pixel and layout. And as I click on it, you can see that you get different tools right here that you can work with. For the vector, you get the vector tools, as you can see right here. If I were to go to pixel, then you got the picture correction pixel tools. Then you got the layout. So if you want to make some UI and so forth, then you can go ahead and use the layout right here. And if you want to generate images, so you need a premium account for this, you can use Canva AI. Then you got AI generation options right here, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here, based on what you select right here, on the right hand side as well, you can see the areas. So you can see the tools right here. You can go ahead and then click and drag the area as you like right here, just like this. And then you can see that you can go ahead and resize it up. You can even go ahead and then drag out, let's say for example, individual tools right here, wherever you want as well, and edit it out. And you can go ahead and keep it back around over here. You can go ahead and keep it around over here, just like this, or keep it around over here on the side as well. Apart from that, you can go to Windows and then work around with different layouts as well. So you can go ahead and enable links and then see those as well. Over here on the left hand side, like I said, there are all the tools. And if I were to go around and select one, you can see that you can use them out right here, just like this. So over here on the bottom, you can see that if you have multiple artboards right here, you can go ahead and add that in. You can add in pages as well and work around with them as well. And over here, you can see like there are some shortcuts that are possible. It's being showed right here. So if I were to go ahead and use the control mouse button and use the scroll mouse button, you can zoom in and zoom out as well, as you can see right here, to go ahead and navigate. As you select out the tools, you can see its properties right here on the top as well. And like I said, there are different options over here on the right as well. On the top, you even have the export options, as you can see right here. And then on the top, you got the menu bar where you can go ahead and access out different options as needed. So that is the interface of Affinity, and throughout this tutorial series, we're going to see the major tools that you can utilize to go ahead and edit out vector graphics and work around with pixels, that is, work around with images and layout as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.